Hello Raz. Here you can see the page, the website page I linked to you. So as you can see here, the price is 20% discount from the original price. So if I go here and choose size and add it to the cart, here it is added correctly, as you can see here, with the discounted price, and also here in the cart total with the discounted price. Now, sometimes it bugs out, and so as you can see here, the price of the second piece is 47.50, which is the original price, as you can see from here. And also, as you can see here, it is also calculated as full price on the cart total. So now, if, for example, I go and add another item, it understands that the price was wrong before. I don't know how it does that, but it corrects here the price. Now it's 38, before it was 47. It also corrects the price if I choose to go to the cart, if I press this button, or choose to go to the checkout. That's it. That's how to reproduce the problem.